Hey, have you ever missed an authentic, delicious food from a different country or mama's food whenever you're far away from home? Well, don't worry. We are here to solve this problem by presenting you Doodle Home Foods. For you passionate chefs, we understand how difficult of a process it is and how capital intensive process it is to start a restaurant. Whereas to start a home kitchen, it's comparatively super easy to start and also less expensive. We are building this platform in such a way where we onboard home kitchens onto our platform and then sell their foods to the customers. How does that happen? For home kitchens, they don't know where to start, how to start, and what to do to start these kinds of home kitchens. So we take care of everything from start to finish. Their main focus has to be on preparing the food, making it as delicious as possible, and keeping it packed and ready on time. That's it. On the other hand, for customers, with the click of a button, they can get the most affordable, delicious, and authentic foods directly to their doorstep. This is a growing market not only in Sweden but also globally. Note, we are not an on demand service. We are a pre order service. That's how we differentiate ourselves from our competitors. We have a solid traction. In our pilot test, we have delivered more than 500 orders and generated more than 160,000 kroners of revenue by spending 0 kroners on marketing. So it's been completely organic. We also have 47% repeat order rate. If you're a passionate chef, join us. Let's together revolutionize the food industry and unlock the potential of these local chefs. Thank you so much.